Hey guys, wanna know how to uninstall Geeks for Geeks on your Android or your iOS? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, what you can do is just simply find your Geeks for Geeks icon on your phone and hold it. And once that is done, right here you can see this trash icon. So simply press on it and then select uninstall. After that, your Geeks for Geeks should be successfully uninstalled. Now, next thing you can also do is just simply head towards your Play Store or your App Store if you're on iPhone. Head towards the search bar and type in Geeks for Geeks. Now, once you're there, here you can see Geeks for Geeks right here. Simply set its icon to open more information, and right here under the left side of open, here you can see uninstall. So simply press on it and select uninstall to this prompt again. And there you have it. Your Geeks for Geeks should start uninstalling. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.